Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a cryptocurrency mining website, guys. So I have not really created a video like this, right? That's related to mining. I have banking videos, right? Korea videos, Tesla, celebrity investment, right? Videos, right? Car booking, flights, and so on my channel. So this is the first time I'm creating a mining video, right? And in today's video, definitely I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys how to build this exact crypto mining website I want to review to you guys. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that from scratch, right, to the end, right? So I'm just going to go back to the homepage of this to show you guys how this homepage looks like. So right here we have the homepage, global trade, home plan, about, blog, FAQ. Right here we have this. Just going to right here we have the profits calculator, why it shows us, and so on, right? So right here we have news join, and then we have the footer, right? So I'm just going to scroll up. Right here we have the contact page. I'm just going to show the contact page and then go ahead and create a free account. I'll just come right here and click on sign up and then go ahead and fill in the required details, right? So I'm just going to wait, and then right here I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my name. I'm going to go ahead and put in a username. I'm just going to call it Decidual, right? 29, right? And I'll come right here and then change this email to 52. Right, come right here and then put in a password, right? So I'm just going to click on accepting and click on sign up, right? So guys, I've successfully signed up on the website, and right here we have this, and then we have dashboard. So I'm just going to go straight to the dashboard, and right here we have $0 USD balance, referral zero, right? 0.0, but that's end, right? Right here we have the referral link if I want to refer someone. And then right here we have the footer, right? So right here we have the home, we have the plans whereby we can have all plan list if listed, right? Right here we have fund, we have payouts now, and so on, right? So guys, I'm just going to be leaving those stone unturned. Right here we have fund whereby you can be able to like add fund and then successfully like fund your account, choose any of the payment gateway in order to be able to fund in order to be able to fund your account. Right here we have plan. So I'm just going to log into the admin dashboard. I already have it logged in here. I'll go ahead and then log out, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and log in again. So right now I'm logged into the admin dashboard, right? Over here we have total users, which is the account I created, right? Today joined, right? And we have payment information, plan sales, right? This month summary, right? And so on. Right, so this is the account I created, right? I'm just going to go ahead and then let's say I'm just going to go ahead and fund this user account, right, with some amount so that we can be able to perform certain transaction, right? So so um so before that I'm just going to come over to mining list, right? And then I'm just going to create a mining. I'm going to click on add new, right? Just going to call this, let's say Ethereum. I'm just going to give it mining code ETH, right? Minimum payout, let's say 100,000, right? Minimum, let's say 100, then maximum, let's say 100,000. Then status, I'm just going to say active and then I'm clicking on save, right? So that is done, right? I'm just going to click on create a plan. And then right here, I'm just going to call this real estate plan. For instance, these are mine. I'm just going to select this, come right here and then put price, right, per day. I'm just going to put 1,000 per day, right? Hash rate, I'll put 20, right? Fair commission 10%, 10 days duration, and then active featured years, and then can just go ahead and upload an image and click on save changes, right? So this success also automatically create a plan. I'll come right here, right? I'll come right so my users dashboard, come to plan, click on plan list to be able to view this plan I just created. As you can see, we have the real estate, and then remember I did not upload the picture, that's why we don't have a picture here. So I just come right here and click on buy now, and then select a payment method and then click on pay now. Right? This will allow me to be able to subscribe to this plan and be able to see my earnings right in real time. Right. So this is basically how it works, right? And then, so I'm just going to come right to the admin dashboard right here. And then I'm just going to come over to, all right, so right here we have role permission. This basically is an interface whereby you can be able to manage your role. Right here we have identity form, basically basically these are for KYC. We have the mining list, which I just showed, create plan list. We have referral. This is basically showing the number of referrals right on the website. And right here we have type, right, funding bonus, set level, and then generate. Right here we have running investment log, right? Right now we don't have any investments, right? So right here we have complete all transactions, right? We have commission, just going to click on this, and so on right here we have all users, send email, KYC log, login logs. We have the payment method, so this is basically the payment method available on the website. We also have the manual payments method, we have manual gateway, right, and then active, right. Right here we have deposit request, right. So I'm just going to click on it, and we don't have any deposit request presently. Payout request, close, open ticket, and so on, guys. So this is basically how the admin dashboard. We have the email settings. Basically, it's an interface whereby you can be able to set up your email SMTP. Right here we have plugin configuration. We have the basic control, basically where you can actually set up your site listings. We have journey bonus. You can turn it on. We have plan sales commission, deposit commission, registration can be turned off or turned off. Address verification currently is off, identity is off, clone setup is on. So this clone setup is basically for automated mining whereby in real time, right, their profit is being earned, right? So joining bonus is $30, right? And then we have the system marker. So here is just where you put your site name, right? And it will automatically affect everything on your site, right? So let's go back to the user's dashboard, right? So basically, these are basically how these work. We have wallets, we have profile settings, 2FA, transactions, and so on. So definitely right now we have the wallet details. Right now it says no wallet found because wallet has not been set up. Right. So basically this is how the user and the admin dashboard looks like. So as I earlier promised, I'm just going to show you guys the exact same way on how you can build. I'm just going to show you guys an exact way you can build a mining website just like this. So the first thing you're going to do is to have a domain and a hosting. If you have a domain and hosting, then you should have a cPanel details. And if you're using site like Hostinger, right, you'll be given access to an hPanel. Right. So the first thing I'm just going to go ahead and do is come to domain, and then I'm going to create a subdomain. Right. So if you are working on a new project and you've not worked on your cPanel before, you don't have to do this step, right? I'm just going to do this because I already have a website. I'm just going to call this CPC, right? Just going to call the name of the primary domain since it's a subdomain I'm creating, and then I'm just going to click on submit. So this successfully creates a subdomain for me on my cPanel. So I'm just going to show you guys now if you don't want to create a subdomain and you just want to go ahead and begin with your project. You come right to file manager, right? And then the next thing you do is to come right to public underscore HTML. The public underscore HTML should be blank, so you'll be able to upload your project there. So I'll just come to this CPT, right? And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on upload and then upload the project, right? Upload the file for this project. All right, so right now I have the file uploading. So I'm just going to wait. So it's a script which has the whole thing we are going to be doing, right? So it has uploaded successfully. I'll come right here and then reload. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and extract, right? And then click extract file. So it automatically extract all details. I'll come right to this project, right? I'll come right to extract and go ahead and then extract again. So this automatically extracts, right, the project to my subdomain, right? So the next thing I'm going to do after this is to go ahead and create my database. I'll come right to this point, come over to my SQL database wizard, and then create a new database. I can call this min 5, right? That is mine 5, and then come right here to next step, and then it says I've reached. I'm just going to go ahead and delete some database because it looks like I have exhausted the number of database I can create on this platform. All right, I've done that. I'll just go ahead and click my SQL database wizard again and then call this, as I said, my 5, right? And then I'm clicking on next step. Then I'll paste this, right? Copy and then come right here and paste and then come right here and paste. So just click on create users to be able to create a user. I'll click on all privileges and then click on make changes. So my database has been created successfully. So I'm just going to come right here to the search and then type php my admin. I'm just going to hit this and it's going to load my php admin whereby I can be able to upload my database. I'll come right to my database name. Then I'll come right here to import and then select file to be able to upload my database, right? All right, so I've selected my database. I'm just going to come right here and click import and my database will be successfully imported, right? While I wait till it has been imported, import has successfully finished, I'll come right here to the admin. This is what I normally do, right? Go ahead and change the admin details, come to edit, right? And then we already have admin at Gmail, which I know is the email I'm going to be using to log into right there. I'll come right here and then locate the PHP hash, right? And then change this password to, let's say, 1234, and then I'll scroll down and click on go. So I've successfully changed the database password, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is come over to this file, locate the .env, and then right click on edit, right, and click on edit again. So I'm going to change my database details here, right? So I'm just going to wait while it loads. I'll come right here and give the database name this, right? Username this and password this because this is what I set, right? And then I can just come right here and change this to Chase, right? And then I'll just go ahead and save, right? So I can say that we are absolutely ready because our PHP version is intact, right? Because you must be running code on PHP version 8.1, right? And make sure that you are using PHP version EA, right? 8.1. As you can see, let's check the subdomain. We have it, so we are good to go. So the next thing I'm just going to go and do, since I am done linking my database, uploading my database, go ahead and visit the website, come right here and hit enter, and then hit enter, and then wait while our website loads, right? The website which we just built, right? So with this simple step, right, you should be able to design a mining website just like what you've seen, right? To be able to get the script used in this video, right, check the description of this video. You'll find a WhatsApp number and also a WhatsApp line you can reach out to. Go ahead and reach out to our customer support, and definitely they're active 247 to attend to you, right? So until I see you again, keep grinding. See you guys in my next video, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash the subscribe button right now, and then share so that other people can learn from this video. Right, see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.